Welcome back to my channels, guys. Right here fishing with my friends. See all the water, nice and clear.
Get him, get him.
Oh shit, yo, il arrête pas de tirer là. Check les fish,
Avance, avance. Je peux pas voir, continue. Yeah, monster, bring it. Oh, yela. It's bass.
Oh, il peut pas sortir de l'eau. Namin! Look at my fish. Et voilà mon ami! So I just got back from fishing. Caught this beautiful fish right here. It wasn't a sturgeon. It's a catfish. See how big it is? Before cooking anything, make sure you guys cook some rice. So what now I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut like a big piece of the meat. We need this leaf to cook it. This leaf, you guys gotta get it in the Asian market. You guys also need some coconut milk, and the last thing you guys need, mini aubergine. So now I got everything ready. I got my curry paste, got my leaf, got my little vegetable here. A little bit of sugar, just a little bit, just to make it sweeter. Here we got some salt, coconut milk. This is more liquid. This one is coconut milk too, but really creamy. So when you guys open it, make sure to really mix it up good. I got some fish sauce, a little bit of curry powder. I just put a little bit, just to have a kick, a little bit of touch. This is a lime tree, kaffir tree. So I'm gonna take a few leaf so I can cook with it. So this is how it is. If you guys like to cook Thai food, you guys need to have this. Look, it's starting sprouting some new leaf here. Getting big, so stay tuned. Gotta start with this, the coconut milk. Just put 3 spoons. Put a little bit of coconut milk. There you go. Make sure to mix it well. Now the fire is on high, so I'm gonna lower it a little bit to medium high. Look how it is. Curry paste with the coconut. Stir it up. There you go. Put a little bit in coconut in your curry paste. No waste. This just put like a tiny. That's it. Make sure to put a 1/4 spoon of sugar with a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Make sure you have water too. Put it now in your Oh, it smells so good, guys. This is a master chef dish. When you put the meat, always put the fire high. Always. Don't forget that. When you put the fish, put a little bit of coconut again. There you go. Fish sauce too. 1 spoon and a half. There you go. This is my technique. Always doing a hole in the middle. Usually I do this when I put beer, but for this recipe, you guys don't need beer. There you go. You gotta add 2 chili. Don't forget the special ingredient, the Thai kaffir lime tree. I put 4 leaves of this. Leave it in the middle, like this. So now it's been 3 to 4 minutes. Stir it. Wow, it smells really good, guys. Shoot. This coconut curry catfish recipe, straight from Thailand. Mix it up with a little bit of twist of Laotian and Cambodian. This is where I'm from. To the food. Oh, here we got a good boiling. Woohoo! A little bit of fish sauce, then we're done. Enough. Let it simmer. Oh shoot! Spicy. So now when it started to boil, 5 minutes just before it's cooked, put the leaf. Ooh, smell like catfish. The fish is cooked now, so we gotta let it boil it for 2 minutes. I'm gonna go prepare the rice for you guys. Everything is cooked now. I got my rice on the plate. Time to close. There you go. Oh, you see the meat? The meat didn't broke. Look, all the grease. There you go, guys. It's time to taste it. Nice, everything's cooked. Look at this plate, guys. Look at it. Look how good it is. So I'm gonna take the first bite. Coconut fish. Spice. No hard choice to take a bite out. There you go. Like this, guys. Bon appetit. Woo. Excelente. Want some? Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like my video, guys. Stay tuned for more video. Ciao.